Welcome to AI for Daily Living, where we help make everyday life easier. Whether that's cooking dinner, managing your money, planning a trip, fixing a problem, or staying healthy. Today's topic is how to use Claude for beginners. If you're new to AI, Claude is a great place to start. It's calm, thoughtful, and especially good at helping people understand information instead of overwhelming them. At its core, Claude works through simple conversation. You type what you need help with, and it responds in clear, natural language. No special commands or technical knowledge required. One area where Claude really shines is working with long content. You can paste or upload documents like emails, PDFs, letters, or articles, and ask Claude to summarize them, explain them in plain English, or highlight what matters most. This is incredibly useful for things like insurance paperwork, medical documents, or long messages you don't want to read line by line. Claude is also helpful for writing. You can ask it to rewrite an email to sound more polite, more confident, or more calm. You can turn rough notes into a clean summary or ask for help thinking through a decision by listing pros and cons. The key to using Claude well is being specific. Tell it what you want and why. And don't be afraid to ask follow-up questions. Claude is designed to refine its answers as the conversation continues. If you're looking for an AI assistant that feels practical, thoughtful, and easy to work with, Claude is a strong option for beginners. See the links in the description for the full text version and to receive our free weekly newsletter. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to this channel. We publish 5 to 6 videos per month. You never know if this or the next video might change your life for the better.